Good morning everyone. In this video, we'll discuss about the computer networks for manufacturing systems. Here, how the computer systems which helps for manufacturing firm will be discussed in this unit. In this first topic is hierarchy of computers in the manufacturing systems. Here, a pyramidal structure which represents the computer and computer driven devices in a manufacturing firm is known as hierarchical computer systems. This arrangement is a management oriented structure which indicates various levels and responsibilities, some of which are subordinate to other. And also this represents the command structure that exists between the computers and computer driven devices in a factory. The various computers in the hierarchy are tied together by communication links to form a distributed computer systems. The individual links provide a computer communication network to forward data and information up through a various level for manufacturing operation, all the way to the corporate level. In opposite direction, the product design, process plans, production schedule, machine commands and so on are passed down to the individual production cells. The hierarchy allows from design engineering and manufacturing engineering functions to include with the computer networks. In this figure, it is shown that there are 4 levels in computer hierarchy. At the lowest level or the first level, within the hierarchy are computers that are connected directly to the processes, either to monitor and control it. The computer that makes up these levels are typically a microcomputers located in a close proximity to the manufacturing operations. They monitor and control. In many cases, the computers is an integral part of production machines. This level also includes the devices used for factory data collection systems. In the second level of hierarchy, it consists of typical microcomputers that are located throughout the plant and report to the larger computers at the third level. The second level microcomputers are sometimes referred as a satellites in the plant. Here, the purpose of these microcomputers or satellite computers is to supervise the capacity, coordination and controlling the activities of the first level of computers. In the various sections and operating commands are relayed back to the separate process of workstations. In the third level of hierarchical structure is a central plant computer. Here the operating data from various satellite computers in the plants are collected and summarized to prepare a periodic reports for plant management. Real-time information on the current status of the plant operations can be assessed from this level by the plant personnel with a need to know the manufacturing engineering. The CAD/CAM system interface would probably at the third level in the organization, since most of its functions would be implemented in the plant. The computer at the plant level would be a larger, more complicated data processing system, either a large computer or a small mini frame. Its use must be shared between the plant operation and other business related functions that are performed at the plant level. For example, the use of payrolls, cost and accounting, etc. will be used in this third level. Next, the last and fourth level or highest level is corporate mini-frame computers. Data are compiled from the various plants in the operation at this level. The communication with individual plant computers can be achieved by means of telephone long lives. Satellites and other wide area communication technologies can be used here. The purpose of the corporate computer in the hierarchy is to summarize plant operations and performance for the entire corporations. The CAD/CAM system interface for design engineering is probably at this level, although it may at at the plant level depending on the corporate cycle and organization. This hierarchical structure has become the most effective and efficient arrangement for implementing computer system in manufacturing. Here, some of the benefits of this hierarchical structure are, first one is a gradual implementation. These hierarchical computers can be installed gradually rather than all at once. Each individual computer projects can be justified on its own merits. The company is not required to make an all or nothing commitment to install a single plant-wide computers. The risk is therefore reduced and the expense can be spread over a number of years with a payback released for each step in the implementation of hierarchical systems. Next one is redundancy. The hierarchical structure contains redundancy. This redundancy means in an event of computer breakdown, the other computers in the system programmed to assume the critical task of the breakdown computer. And last one is reduced software development problem. Here the software development, a very major portion of the total expense, is most integrated computer system can be managed more easily in this hierarchical configuration. Since the computer are separated in a pyramidal arrangements, the program for each project can be handled separately. Once the project is installed, the changes in the software are more easily accomplished with the less chance of disrupting the systems.